This is the behind the scenes of our brand new Kwanzaa intro, and this is outfit number 1. The JamFam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. JamFam family, the JamFam family, JamFam, come hang with me. JamFam, come hang with me.
Kwanzaa is coming, so we're going to start our preparations for the big celebration, our first one in Jamaica. So we want to see how it's going to go. It will also be our first one almost solo, because our other relatives we celebrated with are in the UK. And that would be a good surprise, isn't it? And don't worry, if you don't know what Kwanzaa is, we'll explain it to you shortly. We're going into Fontana just to see. This is Fontana. All of this section from here on the supermarket, on the shopping center from up there, all the way around.
So the door is there.
And all the way down to there. And then they have this nice little seating area.
It's kind of like
to chill. Oh, you mean the size of it?
Clothes.
And they don't have the upstairs.
Because Primark have home decorations.
Okay, I see what you mean. So it goes all the way from up there. It's really massive. Well, let's go in and see. Hey, we'll be like children in a sweetie shop. And it's open. Let's come on in. Well, the decorations them turn up, and Madame is getting her Kwanzaa colors to get her act going. Let's see. Yeah, we can go on this one and see what else is on there. I think that's what I was just about to say. I think that's going to be challenging. Oh, I think it's to wrap around the base of it, so you can't see the trunk of it. Okay. Yeah, but I don't think we're going to find ones that don't have to do with it now. So we might have to just go with the ones that we see. I thought about it just now, but I'm not quite sure we need one, actually. But if we do, we can go get one.
It's like a sea urchin.
I like it. It's nice. You think it would? I'm not so sure about that. And the trumpets.
Now that I got back from the shop, I'm going to be doing a haul. So we went to Fontana. First we got the yellow bag. I printed out a Kwanzaa banner, which I'll be showing you in my decoration video. I've got some blue. We've got 2 yards of paint to hang the balloons. Just some black and some flowers. We're not going to be showing you the gifts that we got each other, as that's for black. It's grey, but it's the closest we could find. So it'll be like this in the middle, and the black will be in the middle. Then we got each other some gifts. As I said before,
I've been looking everywhere to try and find a sugar bun, and I finally managed to find one. So now I'm going to try and see if the taste of it is similar to what I remember. Okay, so it peels off nicely. Still tastes how I remember it. All that's missing from it now is some cheese to complete the taste. I remember buying sugar bun and cheese for lunch. It was so delicious. So that's what I'm going to do to see if I can complete this taste now. So when was the last time you had something that you had as lunch for school and you still enjoyed it? In wanting to have roasted breadfruit for a little while, and a friend brought me this breadfruit, so I'm going to roast that and enjoy or indulge. And another friend who has an apiary brought me some honey. This is honey straight from the hive, no additives, nothing, just pure honey. And I am so grateful for the fact that we have friends who are able to do these things for us. We appreciate them very much. We have a breadfruit, the one that you saw previously. So what we're going to do now is to prepare this for our Kwanzaa celebration. We could put it in an oven to bake it, or we could put it on the top of the stove on one of the burners to bake it. But I don't want to do that. I want to do it the good old-fashioned way, which is a sheet of zinc and 3 stones. If you have a tripod, you can use that. Some people just use a coal stove. I'm using wood from the ackee tree, and light it up. And now I'm just going to put this on it and check on it every so often. You can see my flame running. So I'm just going to put it on and get it all roasted. I'll come out and check on it every so often. And then show you the finished product. This is what I'm doing right now. So hopefully it all goes well. This is my first checking in on it, so you can see that they would have burnt out a little bit, but one side have been done. So now what I need to do is to just get the wood back in and then turn the breadfruit over so that the other side of it can get going, and then I need to do the top and the bottom part of it. So we're going good so far. We'll keep you posted on how it's going. I've reset the fire now, put some fresh wood in there as well, and push all that coal up into the middle and turn the breadfruit onto the other side. So once that side is cooked, then I just need to turn it onto the bottom and then up to the top, and then any spot on there that isn't cooked properly, then we'll test it and see where we go from there. So we're doing our preparation so that everything is in place by the time Kwanzaa comes around. The flames are up and popping again, so I'm going to leave it and then come back and check on it again. And we're almost finished. I'm just going to double check it, check to see if it's cooked, and then if not, then I will turn it again and have another few minutes on the flame. I've had to turn it. One of the side wasn't properly done, and so I've just turned it around. Once that's done, then we'll take it off, allow it to cool, and then I will either scrape it or peel it and then put it in the freezer until we're going to need it for Kwanzaa.
This is the behind the scenes of our brand new Kwanzaa intro, and this is outfit number 1. Let's celebrate this time of the